So how to order from CNFans on mobile phone. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to do it. After you open the CNFan, now go to your profile. After you go to your profile, tap on this address button. So on this address, now tap on this add button to add your address. So in this option now, go ahead and fill all this information: your name, your region, your country, your city, and your zip code and email address and phone number. After you finish adding your email information, just tap on this save button. If you go back, so your address will be available in this option. So now if you want to order, tap on this back arrow, go to this home. Now go and find the product you want to buy. So let's say I'll go this shoe. So I'll choose this shoe. So after you choose the product you want to buy, let's say this one. So let's say I want to buy this one, tap on the product. So from there all you have to do now, if you scroll to down, just go ahead now and choose the type of the product, tap on this buy button. So you can choose the color and you can choose the size, or after you finish all this, you can tap on this buy button. From there they'll prompt you to add in your credit card. After that, they'll ship the product for you, and that's it, guys.